Hello, welcome to Daniel Lee Plastering and Rendering YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you on a video of repairing my two daughters' front school wall. The head teacher asked if I would give it a new lease of life, as it's a little bit aged and needed a little bit of TLC. They wanted to upgrade it. So the first thing we do is I've gave it all a scrape and fitted the angle beads. So I fit all beads around all the edges where the new thin coat rendered wall is going. And then once they're all fixed, using I use Fixall's rapid set all-weather adhesive. You then use a very strong primer to ensure the render sticks. Then once that is dry, because this particular wall is in rather bad condition, I'm using a leveling mortar first. So I'm going over the entire wall, you can see with my lovely spray machine there, to build out, because some of the bricks are missing and it's sort of in quite bad condition. So I'm filling out all the brickwork there and adding reinforcement mesh, as you can see there as well, for longevity and durability. That will massively reduce the risk of cracks down the line. I love this machine, I love that spray machine. So you'll notice I'm doing meter sections at a time. Filling them up. This leveling mortar really is good for building out. You can build up to, I believe, 50 mil if you need to. Well, actually there are a couple bricks missing. I did have to go quite thick, so it was very useful. And now I've let that go hard, and I'm now on the premium flexible base coat. This is the thin coat render base coat. It's got fibers in. It's silica, really good stuff this. So I've now put a coat over that. It goes on a bit thinner this, as I've done the deep filling, and unfortunately my machine went in for maintenance. And that is it drying. So let that dry, then give it a scrape, and then I give it another trowel once it's dry, a very thin one. This flattens the wall nicely, and this will give me a good base to then spray my final coat on. Very important to keep the tools nice and clean. And that has now had a primer as well. So once it's dry, you apply, oh, there's the white primer, I apologize. Put a nice white primer on, and notice I've had to protect, as I'm using a spray machine, protect thoroughly. And now I'm applying the final decorative top coat. This should keep the maintenance of this wall down to a minimum. The thin coat render systems, I believe, are guaranteed for 10 years, but in my experience, that they shouldn't. If you look after them, you might need to give them a clean every 5 or 10 years, but they should last 25 plus years. Looked after, there's no reason why. And we are all on, and now the tidy up. It used to have a beautiful mural that was quite aged now, unfortunately, and now it's a beautiful, smart, modern white wall. Thanks for watching.